Hello everyone, welcome to Success Academy. Here I comes with the Organization of Commerce and Management, that is OC. So let us begin. Here you can see that is the first chapter of OC, Principles of Management. Okay, here you can see there are 5 answers in this chapter. Beside that, you can see that board exam. These answers are so important that it is appeared and repeated that questions in almost every time. So you have to learn this, okay? And this is very much important answer, okay? So let us begin. What is the introduction? Johnson & Johnson Company introduced a product named Tylenol, which became a leading painkiller medicine in the United States. In October 1982, Johnson & Johnson faced tremendous crisis when 7 people in Chicago were reported dead after taking Tylenol capsules. Johnson & Johnson recalled the capsules from the entire country, which amounted to about 31 million bottles. Additionally, they stopped all advertisement for the product. In total, it resulted in a loss of more than $100 millions. The mission statement of Johnson & Johnson was operate with honesty and integrity. They could take such big decisions because they followed their principles. When the goals are clear, decision making becomes easy. This chapter gives us an insight to various principles of management. Let us see the meaning and definition of management and principles. What is management? Management is a process of coordination of resources by way of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling so as to attain some desired objectives. Principle is defined as a fundamental truth or proposition that serves as a foundation for a system of belief or behavior or for a chain of reasoning. In simple words, techniques or systems which give one directional result are called as principles. Okay. Now let us see what is principle of management. Principle of management. The principles used for management of business organization are called principles of management. These principles provide guidelines to managers to take decisions. Management principles are formed to guide and influence the behavior of employees. They focus on improving overall efficiency of the organization resources. This was the definition and meaning of principles management and principle of management. Okay, now we'll begin with the answer. First answer of this chapter, explain the nature of principles management. As you can see, it is repeated in July 18, March 15, March 13 and October 15. So it is important answer. The principle used for management of business organization are called as a principle of management. This principle provide guidelines to manager to take decision. Management principles are formed to guide and influence the behavior of employees. They focus on improving the overall efficiency of the organizational resources. The nature of principle of management is explained as follows. Here you can see a smart code which is PUBG FCA, PUBG FCA. Okay, these are the initial of every point. Okay, and it will help you to learn the answers fast. Okay, first point, principles are formed by practice and experiment. The management principles are developed gradually through thorough research, systematic observation, and experiments are conducted before developing them. The result of such experiments are practiced in organization and then principles are developed. Second point, universal application. The principles of management are universal in nature. They can be applied to all types of organization irrespective of their size and nature, all levels of management. The result may vary and application may be modified, but these are suitable for all kinds of organization. Example, management is required in big companies like Reliance and also in small bookstore. So it is called universal application. Behavioral in nature. Management is a group activity. Management aims at achieving certain goals through group of human beings. Management principles are designed to influence human beings. These principles control a group of persons and direct them to achieve the objectives. General guidelines. Management principles provide guidelines in handling organizational situations and problems. They are not rigid. Which management principles are to be applied depend upon the situation, size, and the nature of organization. Example, when we say fair remuneration, then the term fair can vary as per the nature, size, financial condition of the organization. Fifth point, flexibility. Management principles are flexible in nature. They can be modified according to the situation as business situations keep on changing. The principle can be modified and can be used in the organization according to its need. Example, with change in technology, application of management principle changes. Sixth point, cause and effect relationship. Principle of management helps to determine the cause or reason for particular effect. Therefore, they are based for taking a decision. Example, payment of good wages and incentive costs helps in increasing the output of a worker, that is the effect, or making effective advertisement, that is the cost, increase the sale of a product, that is the effect. Seventh point, all principles are of equal importance. All principles of management are of equal importance. They have to be practiced simultaneously for complete achievement of predefined goals. If any specific principle is focused more and others are not followed with same focus, then it affects the working of organization. Here we complete with the first answer of the first chapter of OC. Let us begin with the second answer. What is the significance or importance of the principle of management? Here you can also see that this is also repeated in Feb 20, March 18, 17, 16, 14 and 14, October 14. Same meaning is repeated over here. So I don't think I should repeat the meaning. Let us begin with the smart code. You can see the smart code is written pushed H. So help you in learning fast. Provide useful insight to managers. Principle of management help the manager in understanding the organization better, in understanding the situation and problems, in finding solution to various situation and problems. Management principles are based on the experience of various professional people. Managers can use their experience in solving organization problem by applying the management principle. This type of timely guidance reduces wastage of resources and helps to achieve the organizational goals in an appropriate manner. Second, understanding social responsibility. Management principles are not developed only from viewpoint of handling resources effectively, but they guide management in understanding social responsibility of the organization. This helps the management to focus providing quality products at reasonable prices, avoiding artificial monopolistic situation in market, fair competition, fair remuneration, change in environment, healthy working place, standard tools and machinery, etc. Example, business organization should focus on developing eco-friendly products. Third, scientific decisions. In business organization, a scientific decision means systematic or balanced decision. Management principle trains the manager to take a scientific decision so that they don't have to follow the trial and error method every time. With the use of various management principles, manager can analyze various situations and find various alternatives to get the desired result. Helpful in efficient utilization of resources. In every organization, two types of resources are used, that is physical resources, which is material, machines, money, etc., and human resources, that is manpower. The basic function of the management is optimum utilization of these resources and controlling wastage. Manager use the principle of management to maintain the discipline and healthy working environment. It helps in developing cordial relationship between management and employees, which increases the efficiency level of employees and also affect the effective in administration. Example: use of standard tools and machinery helps in increasing quality and productivity as well as increasing level of efficiency of human resources. Encourages research and development R&D. Management principles enable the managers to bring consistent improvement in them. As a result, managers adopt new trends at the workplace automatically. They develop scientific approach towards research and development growth and development of organization. Example: R&D development always work on finding new techniques in the field of production, finance, marketing, human resources, etc. Develops objective approach. Managers have to take many decisions on daily basis. If they approach every issue subjectively, that is up from a personal point of view, they may be biased while taking a decision. However, management principle help managers to develop an objective approach which consider factual evidence which while making decision. This help to make the managers more efficient and decision making smooth. It builds confidence in the mind of managers. Seventh point, which is last, helps to coordinate and control. It is difficult to create coordination and cooperation among different employees working in a different department. It is also a difficult task for a manager to keep control on the performance of all team members. Management principle provide guidelines for a better coordination and control with the organization. Here we ends with the second answer also. With this video you will be helping you will get a help for learning purpose. Okay, and you will get a solution of target publications. Okay, if you need any solutions regarding any subject like economics, OC, SP and BK, so you can contact me on 9892354586 or WhatsApp me. Our WhatsApp group link is in the description. You can check our description. Please do check out our description box. It will help you to get all the things, everything clear. Okay, thank you.